Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So children, suppose if you have given a system of linear equation, then you have to check whether the lines are intersecting, lines are parallel, and lines are coincident. So how you will identify these things and system is consistent or not? Okay. So how you will identify these things? First of all, if in any question it came that solve the system of equation graphically, then you need to draw the graph. Otherwise, you have to, if in any question, it will ask you that which type of lines are given. So what you will do, see, there are three cases. Okay, first is geometrical representation. Name is geometrical representation of representation of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. So graphically also you can identify and by the question also. So we have pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 beta. And second equation is, children, kindly unmute your mics. Okay. Abhinav, Ayonija, Shan and Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly put your mics on unmute. Okay. So children, just tell me which is your second line?
A2
It will be a2x plus
b2y
y
c2.
c2 is equal to 0. So these two are the linear equations in two variables. So children, see your first cases. What is your first case? Case 1 is when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. What are a1 and a2? a1 is a coefficient of x in equation 1 and a2 is a coefficient of x in second equation. Clear, children? Kindly be on unmute only.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so if this type of condition came in any question, then there will be three possibilities. First off, solution will be unique. Solution will be unique. Unique means only one solution would be there, right? Second, if solution is there, that means system will be consistent. So system will be consistent. Consistent system you can say. Third one is, if solution is unique, this condition, the lines will be intersecting. Intersecting means they will intersect at any point. Lines will be like this. Understood, children? Ayonija, Siddhishri, Abhinav, Aryan, Shan, Sudhamshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Shan. So, by an example, I'm explaining. See, for example, if I'm taking any line 2x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0, or I'm taking 7x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So you have to check whether the lines are intersecting, consistent, and unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many. So first of all, in these type of questions, children, you have to write the values of A1, B1, C1, then A2, B2, C2. Clear? So now, Meher, will you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, just
Yes,
tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1 from this first equation first of all.
ma'am. 2
Yes, then
plus 5 and plus 12.
yes, good. Now next is who will tell? Okay, Chan,
Yes, ma'am.
Chan, tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2 beta.
A2 is 7, B2 is 3, C2
Ye-
is minus
yes, C2 will be minus 5. Now children, just find the fraction of A1 and A2. So A1 upon A2 will be 2 by 7. Clear? And B1 by B2 will be 5 by 3. Now tell me children, are they equal?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, Sudhamshu?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So therefore you will write like this. A1 upon A2 are not equal to B1 by B2. So therefore lines will be intersecting. Right? Unique solution. Unique solution. And system will be consistent. Right? System will be consistent. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understood this point, beta? What do you
Yes.
have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it down this point. Hurry up. Yes, children, in this type of questions where you have to identify whether the lines are parallel, whether the lines are intersecting, whether the solution is unique, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. So in these type of questions, first of all, you have to write the values of A1, B1, and C1. Then write their fractions. Then check whether A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 or ठीक है, if both are not equal, that means line will be intersect and there will be unique solution and system will be consistent. Understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri, have you understood, beta? I will explain it once again, okay?
Ma'am, what is that? Intersect?
Intersect means it
No,
will
no,
cut.
ma'am. Intersect what you wrote, ma'am, there.
Intersecting unique solution means
Okay.
there will be one solution. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then consistent. If solution is there, then system will be consistent. If solution is not there, then system will be inconsistent. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Written class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, Shan, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu. Just show me your thumbs up, children, if you all have written. Okay. Okay. Shan, you have not written, beta. You are writing. Shan, beta, unmute yourself. And children, one more thing that on this coming Saturday, your test will be live. Okay. 5 p.m. on Saturday to 5 p.m. on Sunday. And your topic will be polynomial chapter only. So I guess there is no problem in polynomial. And children, if you are facing any problem, just ask me. Then I will repeat. Yes, beta?
No, ma'am.
I will explain it once again. So it would be subjective paper, subjective test, okay? So you all will attempt this test. Today I'm not requesting you. I'm telling you this thing that you all are attempting, okay? On coming Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you are facing any problem while uploading the test, just send it to me on personal window, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, may I proceed to next?
Yes,
Written?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now see here. Next case is once here I have written that A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So now second case will be if A1 upon A2 will equal to B1 upon B2 and not equal to C1 upon C2. See here. Case second. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Clear? If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. So here children, the lines will be, there will be three things. Lines will be parallel. Lines are parallel. Then second case is there will be no solution. Why no solution? Because lines will be parallel and they will not intersect. So if line will intersect, then there will be only solution. So lines are not intersecting, therefore no solution. And if there is no solution, so inconsistent solution, consistent solution is there. Inconsistent system. Understood, beta, these three things? So, for example, suppose I'm taking an example like this. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Then 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Aman, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1.
Yes, ma'am. A1 is equal to 6.
Yes,
B1 is equal to minus 3.
yes. C1 is?
C1 is 10.
Okay. Siddhishri, beta, can you tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2, beta? Siddhishri, just write in chat box, beta. If your mic is not working. Sudhamshu,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the values of, okay,
A2 is 2, B1 is -1, and B2 is -1. B2 is -1.
yes,
C1 is 9.
C2 is 9.
Yeah,
See,
C2.
children, I am explaining this thing once again. We were having two equations like A1x plus B1y plus C2 is equal to 0. Right? C1, sorry. Not C2, C1. So in all the questions also, we will be getting two linear equations. So here also two linear equation we have. So just write this equation 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Just compare. Now here coefficient of x is A1 and here coefficient of x is 6. So value of A1 is 6 here. Value of A1 is 6. Now here coefficient of y is B1 and in second term coefficient of y is -3. Then value of B will be -3. Clear? Now plus C1 and plus 10. So therefore value of C1 will be 10. Now take in the same way second equation. Second we are having A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. And here we are having second equation 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So again children compare this. So coefficient of x is A2 here and here is 2. So value of A2 will be beta 2. Now here coefficient of y is B2 and here is -1 and plus C2 and plus 9. So value of C2 will be clear, beta? Understood?
Yes,
Just show
ma'am.
me your thumbs up, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after this, just write the fractions of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, and C1 upon C2. So just write the fractions here. I'm writing. See, A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2 is 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 3. Now also find B1 upon B2. Then it will be -3 upon -1. So it will be 3 only. So now here children, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Isn't it? Both are equal now.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, kindly be on unmute, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So both are equal. And find C1 upon C2 fraction also. So it will be 10 by 9. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, is not equal to C1 upon C2. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, not equal to C1 upon C2. Therefore, lines are parallel. Lines are parallel and no solution. because lines are not intersecting at any point. So no solution, because if they will meet, then only there will be solution. And if no solution is there, then system will be inconsistent. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All have understood? Show me your
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
up. Okay, good. Now please note it down it. Hurry up.
Ma'am, please don't erase.
Written, Aryan?
I'm right.
Okay. Children, your chapter number 1 will be of 6 marks. You will see 6-mark question in your exam, right? And your algebra part, algebra means polynomials, this linear equation in two variable, quadratic equation, and arithmetic progression. There are these chapters, chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5. This chapter's weightage is of 20 marks. So 20 marks questions you will see in your exam from these 4 chapters. Okay? So do these chapters.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. On
Yes.
board's exam. Ma'am, this time they will do it half a semester wise or one exam wise, ma'am.
Beta, yes. Actually, CBSE has not given any green signal na, to imply this. So this is only in right, you can say in paperwork only, in papers. But
No, ma'am, like
hope so.
all in one, no, ma'am. Like no separate.
Yes. Because when CBSE will imply this NEP 2020, then definitely your board exam will be in 2 terms, term 1 and term. There will be two boards, semester wise, semester 1 and semester 2,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Fourth for 12th also. But let's see when CBSE will imply, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And I hope so it will imply from 25 to 26. I hope so.
Ma'am, if it does, no, it will be slightly easier.
Done, ma'am.
Done, class? Show me your thumbs up if you all have done. Jan and Aman.
Ma'am,
Okay.
almost done.
Okay. Shan, done, beta? Show me your thumbs up, Shan, if you are not able to unmute yourself.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now next is Third is when if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C. Children, when all fractions are equal, then lines are coincident. Coincident line means, suppose one line is this, okay? Then the points of second line will also lies on this. Suppose you have drawn like this a line. This point is 2, this is 4, this is 3, this is 6, this is 4, this is 8, and this is 5, and this is 10. So children, see, suppose here 2.5 and here, so this point will lies here only, the points of second line. Then this line will cover, second line will cover the first line. So these type of lines are called coincident line. Got it this thing? Understood,
Yes.
beta? Coincident
Yes,
line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now
Ma'am.
lines are coincident.
Ma'am,
So, yes, beta?
can you explain that again?
Yes. Coincident line means, suppose this line is there. One line you have drawn like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See. One line you have drawn like this. Suppose this point is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Like this. So, beta, the point of second line will be like this. This point will be 2. Coordinate will be, and this will be 3. So, it will lies here only. Then, second point will lie here. And third point will lies here. Then, when you are joining all these points, this line, this second line will cover the first line. Right? It will lies on the first line only. The
Yes, ma'am.
coordinates of the line 2 will lies on the coordinate, will lies on the line of first equation. Clear? So these type of lines are called coincident. Clear? Suppose one student is drawing a line and other one is also drawing a line on this line. Understood now, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
What are
Understood.
coincident lines? Okay. Second is, now lines are coincident means that you are finding the points, coordinates. So therefore, system is consistent. And there will be infinitely points. So you will write infinitely many solutions. Got it my point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you can extend this line up to infinity. So there will be so many points, right? So therefore, there will be infinitely many solutions for this third case. Now, for example, I'm explaining it with example. For example, yeah, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. And then 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Children, again compare these equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Siddhishri, kindly tell me the values of a1, b1 and c1, beta. You can write in chat box. Right, Siddhishri? Hurry up. And then Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me the values of A2, B2 and C2.
Ma'am, A2 is equal to 18,
Yes. B2 is?
6,
C2 is?
24.
Yeah, good. Yes, Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the, not Aman, Aryan. Aman has told. Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1, beta.
Ma'am, 9, A1 equals to 9. The B1 equals to
Yes.
3.
Yes.
C1 equals to 12.
Yes. Good. So, can you, Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please brief us out that how we will write the values of A1, B1, C1 and
Ma'am,
A2,
this is
B2,
case 3
C2?
now, ma'am.
You mean like A1 by A2, ma'am?
I'm asking Abhinav that how to write the values of A1, B1 and C1, not the fractions. How you will write the values? By comparing, na? By comparing both the equations with
writing
your standard
coefficients.
equation A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and then A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Clear? Now after comparing their coefficient, the coefficient of x represented by A1 and A2 in both the equation and coefficient of y will represent B1 and B2 and C1 and C2. These are the constant term 12 and 20. Clear? Now find the fraction A1 upon A2. Ayonija,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the fraction A1 upon A2.
1 by 2. 1 upon 2.
Yes, 9 by 18. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So it will be 1 by. Yes, Sudhamshu,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the fraction B1 by B2.
3 by 6.
Yes, 3 by 6. So it will be 1 by 2 also.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Meher, Meher, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the fraction for C1 upon C2.
Even, ma'am, 12 by 24.
Yes, 12 by 24. So 1
1
by
by
2.
2. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Siddhishri, just write in chat box, beta. They are equal or not, beta, all the fractions. Siddhishri, all fractions are equal. Just write in chat box. Hurry up. Yes. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So all three fractions have got the same value. A1 by 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C. Now this condition we have got. So after getting this condition, lines are coincident. You will write here. Lines are coincident. Coincident lines. And then no solution, no solution, infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And last is that system is consistent. Because solution is there, so system will be consistent. Clear this thing, children? Have you understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Aryan. Siddhishri, have you understood, beta? Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Siddhishri, understood, beta? Show me your thumbs up.
Ma'am, I completed the second homework, ma'am.
Very good. Children, today also, I will write the homework on WhatsApp only. Okay? Because you people are not able to see the homework. Yes. Due to technical issue. Yes.
I showed, ma'am.
Yes, I'm seeing. Yes. Good, beta. Good, Aaron.
Ma'am, when you were just gave break, no, ma'am, that time I completed.
Okay. Children, note it down it fast, beta.
Ma'am, noted.
Okay. And children, please kindly in between the class, turn on your videos.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Because if you people will active in the class, then I will be more active then by seeing your videos, your faces, and your activeness of replying the answers, right? And if you people are feeling bored, then I will also. Because in physics, you are learning this thing, na? Both action and reaction, both are equal and opposite. So same thing, right? Only Ionija has written. What about others?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Sudhanshu has also done. Meher also done. Ionija, Aman, Abhinav, Aryan. All have done. Okay, children. Now let's come to question then. See. This is your question of exercise 3.1, children, in your NCERT textbook. All are having this NCERT textbook now?
Yes.
This is your question number 1. First question only, A part. See, on comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Find out whether the lines representing the pair of linear equation intersect at a point parallel or coincident. So they are asking about the nature of the lines, that which type of lines it is. So first is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Then 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now children, kindly be on unmute and tell me the values of A1, B1 and C1. You
Ma'am,
always speak.
A1 is
Ma'am,
5.
A1 is 5.
B1 is minus.
B1 is minus 4.
Yes. C1 is?
8.
C1 is 8.
Yes. Now in second line, what will
A2
the
is
value?
7.
A2 is 7.
Yes.
B2 is
B2 is
6.
6.
6, yes.
And C is
C1 is
minus
minus
9.
9.
9.
Good. Now you have to find the ratio first of all. So A1 upon A2,
5
it
by
will be
7.
5 by 7, beta. Just speak, children, all of you. B1 upon B2 will be
Minus 4 by 6.
minus 4 by 6. Then it will be equal to minus 2 by 3. Dividing by table of 2. And then C1 upon C2, children?
8 by minus 9.
8 by minus 9. So just tell me whether they are equal or
No,
not.
ma'am.
No. So you will write like this. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So which line it is? Just check the cases and tell me.
Intersecting.
Yes. Lines are intersecting because A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Therefore, lines are intersecting. Understood, children? In
Yes,
this
ma'am.
way, in next question, they have asked that system is consistent or inconsistent. Again, you have to check all three cases like A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 or not equal to B1 upon B2, or if all three fractions are equal. Okay? If solution is there, then system is consistent. If solution is not there, the system is not consistent. That is inconsistent. Have you understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So today's topic is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, better. So in homework also, I will give you questions on the basis of this parallel, this properties, these conditions only, parallel, parallel, intersecting, coincident. Okay, or system is consistent or inconsistent. Only two questions I will give. Okay, children,
Okay, ma'am.
and prepare for your test also for subjective one. Okay. Bye, all of you.
Thank
1
you,
minute,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Bye, ma'am.
writing.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was writing, ma'am. Could you just show?
You were writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Last part I'm writing.
Okay, just wait. I'm sharing it again. It's visible?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Completed. Ma'am, completed.
Okay, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye, beta.